Hello, this is Bill Sefsek with Stan Mitchell Enterprises. Today I would like to sum up the last four messages that, of course, you have given some sincere thought to, right? I have talked about the why, the reasoning for being and staying in the collision repair industry. I've talked about the where, the environment and culture to search for so you can be the best you can be. I've talked about work focus, personal integrity, or your promise in accomplishing and achieving the highest quality repair product that you are capable of. In number four, I talked about creating a personal SOP. I introduced the SPEC 4-step concept, a way for you to assure that the work product that you provided is as you intended to. With this, I hope you can realize a fundamental foundation for your place in the industry. Today, I want to talk about application, your understanding and awareness for your value. Let's take a look at this. As a repair planner, you collaborate with fellow staff members from all departments to set up and place the product into production. You monitor the communications with the customer and the progress of the repair. At the end, you may engage and conduct the pre-delivery quality control process. As a part staff member, you assure an accurate order is made, timely and complete delivery is achieved, accurate comparison or mirror matching, and quality is checked as you then integrate it into the repair flow. Being the body and structural repair technician, you assure panel alignment and accuracy is accomplished. You assure welding criteria is met and all calibration considerations are taken completely. As a painter, you make sure all base prep is done, appropriate corrosion protection applications are completed, and full and complete finish application is achieved. Then the vehicle goes to reassembly. This is performed and the final corrosion protective measures are completed. After that, the vehicle goes to detail. In detail, it is important to assure all the prior steps are complete and that the quality control has been performed each step of the way. At this stage, pre-delivery measures are starting to take place. All of these elements must be consistent, repeatable, reliable, and sustainable within your culture. So after all this, we now have workflow. You, in whatever position you have, are in control of your contribution to the end goal, which is a complete and accurate repair product, right? Throughout the keys to keys process, doing the right thing in the right way and for the right reason, as well as being the quality-minded collision repair technician working in a quality-minded and branded collision repair operation, you are now the value you promised. Be proud and solid in your quality control sign-off. You will be required to manage peripheral interruptions, time constraints, repair method challenges, or possibly items that do not even pertain to the actual task you are completing. Manage these in a healthy and efficient manner so as not to hinder the repair flow. Watch out for those stop and start situations and do not lose your place. I know this is a lot to take in, and remember, the perception or attitude you carry through task completion must be of the efficient execution for doing the right thing in the right way for the right reason. Now, as I mentioned in the first episode, I would like to move into some of the many areas surrounding your tool-to-task operations with a more in-depth look. Bring to you systems like the SPEC concept I spoke of, some understanding into the particular positions that are taken and presented over the repair methods that are recommended, suggested, and sometimes agreed to. I have a couple of industry partners that I would like you to meet through short interview questions about their position and their status in the industry. Along with these, I would like very much to afford you, the quality-minded collision repair technician, any answers to questions, clarity of my message, and or additional topics related to the philosophy of defining your position in the collision repair industry now and in the future. Until next time, this is Bill Sefsek with Stan Mitchell Enterprises. Reach out to me at bill@stan-mitchell.com. And always remember to keep the mindset that you're fixing your mother's car and you'll be paying the bill. Be excellent in your choices. Thank you.